Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to solve October-November 2022 paper and we are going to solve component 03. We'll start with the first task, which is data analysis. Alright, so now spreadsheet, so this is the task to spreadsheet data analysis. You are going to create a spreadsheet for Tawara Wildlife Trust. This will display the data about donation given by the individual companies in other countries. So what is important here? So Tawara currency as a dollar and 2 decimal place. So at the end of the spreadsheet, we must have to show the dollar sign and the 2 decimal place value. Do not edit any data files provided unless instructed to do so. Next, open and examine the file N22 donations and N22 currencies.csv in spreadsheet software. So to do this, we will go to where is donation. Donation is here and then currency is next. All right. So now, yes, perfectly fine. So it's open. So now let me organize the data first for both the sheets. Sheet 1 and this is the sheet 2. Alright, so done. Now next, place in a footer of N22 donation edited by, followed space with your name, center number and candidate number. This is the donation sheet. So now we will go to layout view. Student, this is the layout view. Click on layout view. Directly you can go to the footer and header. So what we need to do in footer, edited by, and it should be left aligned. So here control V, edited by, your name ABC, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234. All right, so done. Now right align automated file name with no file path, so only file name. So we will go here, okay, again, and then go to our, okay, so once again, where is the file name and the file path we need to put here. Okay, so let me go here, okay, and then we'll go to header and footer view. Where is the file name? Here it is, only the file name without file path. Done, perfectly done. Next, save this spreadsheet as donate underscore followed by your center number and candidate number. So file, save as, and then support file folder. Now this is, I'm going to say donate underscore center number IN123, candidate number underscore 1234. All right, so now this should be saved as a spreadsheet Microsoft workbook. That's okay, fine. So now go back to normal view, perfectly fine. Now we have this. Next, what we need to do, enter a formula in E9 to display the ISO currency of the country and display in B29 using the external file of N22 currency. Okay, fine. So now where is here? It is E29. Here what we need to do, we need to show the local currency. Okay, so now, so we'll go to our currency file. Yep, this is, it is here. So now equals to VLOOKUP. Lookup value would be our country, comma, because they asked us to take B29 as a lookup value, comma, table array. This is my table array. So now I'm selecting the whole table A and B value. Why? Because in B I have currency in local. So now comma, because the value is available in B, which is column number 2, comma 0, and close the bracket and enter. So local currency in ISO is KES. Now next, perfect. We will go to the next question. Enter a formula in cell F29 and look up again exchange rate of the country using a currency. Again we need to find out the exchange rate, but this time we will use local currency ISO as a lookup value, equals to VLOOKUP lookup value, comma. Why we choose this, we'll show you. Okay, if you see here clearly, we can easily able to make a lookup by using this as a lookup value. Okay, so now select the whole value, comma 3 comma, because it is in third column, the value available 3 comma 0, and close the bracket and enter. So this is our exchange rate of KS. Okay, Kenyan dollar. Okay, Kenyan currency. Yep, done. Now next, what I need to do, we'll go down, enter a formula in G29 to calculate the donation in Tawara dollar. Okay, and dividing the value of the donation of local currency with the exchange rate. Simple. So this need to be round to 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place, we will do it. So equals to donation divided by exchange rate, enter. So this is the value we got. This should be round down, round to 2 decimal place as instructed, enter. So we got Tawara dollar is 28.59. Perfectly fine. Replicate the formula in step 2 and 3 and 4 for all the donations. So let me replicate, flash fill. Student, you need to just click in a corner and double click it, will flash fill the value. Perfectly fine. So now we got all the values. Good. So now let's go to the next question. Use a cell C29 to C115 to create a name range TO2. C29 to C115. Where is C29? From here, C29 to C115. Where is it? 115 till here. Okay. Right click, define name. Again, repeat one more time, students, for you. Select the value first, right click, define name. Okay, and the name is TO2. TO2, and then press OK. Perfect, done. Next, use the cell G29 to G115 to create a name range amount. Okay, we will do it. G29. So where is G29? This is the G29 values. So we will select the values, complete value of the cell G29. Same formula, right click, define name, and name it as an amount. Type amount here and then press OK. So perfectly fine till here, no problem. Let's go to the next question. Take a screenshot showing of the creation, okay, of your name range. You need to just simply take the screenshot showing in a going on a defined name and just take the screenshot and paste it. Next, enter a formula in C7 to calculate the total number of donations. To calculate means definitely calculation means sum only, okay, project, but here they give us a criteria if the project using the project code and the name range is given in the step 6. Replicate the formula for all the projects. So here we got a small, like in sum, we need to look into the criteria also with a function if. So now let's do it. So where is it? Total donation, this is here. So now is equals to SUMF. I'm going to use, okay, SUMF. Okay, SUMF. So first we are going to select the range of donations, the complete range donation, because what we are doing here, so that the code wise, comma, okay, code, okay, SUMF, the range, comma, criteria is, okay, is the code, comma, okay, and what is the sum value? Sum value is our amount. Where is our amount? Okay, we selected as a this G, donations, the total amount. Okay, so now let me select this till the bottom and then close the bracket, okay, and then press enter. So now the total general number of aspect project total donation is this much. Okay, fine. So now let's go to the next question. Do we need to replicate this? Yeah, replicate for the all projects. So for general, total donation is happened this much, and for elephants this much, giraffe, elephant, okay, everything we got it perfectly fine. Now next, what we need to do? Merge the cell A1 to C1. Where is A1? A1 to C1. Merge and center. Alright. So now next A3 to C3. Now where is A3 to C3? Merge the cell A3. Okay. Merge the cell. Now merge the cell A3 to C3. Okay. So A3 to C3. Merge again. Okay. So now what next? What they are asking us to do? A5 to C5. A5 to C5. Perfect. Next A27 to G27. A27 till G27. Merge and center. Okay, done. So now format the merge cell 1 to 5 to a blue background with white text. Okay, so 1 to 5. So number 1, blue background with white text. Perfect. And this is also blue background 1, 2 and 5. Okay, so are they asking 1 and 5? 1 and 5. Where is 5? Control C. Not here. This is 5 with the blue color background and white color text. Next, format the text row 1 to be 20 points high. So here this is 20. Okay, and then format the merge cell 27 so that it matches the row 5. Row 5. Okay, 27 here, and which is we should match the row 5. So blue color, white text. All right. Anything else? Nothing. Done. Okay, apply appropriate formatting to the value stored in C project. Appropriate formatting means price. Right click, format cell, currency is dollar and 2 decimal place. Press OK. Yes, good. So now here also in donations, do we need to apply here also? Yeah, so let's put for all the exchange rate currency should be in dollars. Right click, format cell, it should be currency in dollar and 2 decimal place. Perfectly fine. Next, save your spreadsheet, print your spreadsheet showing the formulas. Okay, to show the formulas, what we need to do, student? Control plus tilde key, as simple as that. And now arrange your data. Perfectly fine. This is how your worksheet will look like. Let me zoom in. Yeah, so you need to take the control P, print. Okay, so it should be landscape orientation. Row and column should be displayed and all the cells are fully visible. Okay, so here they did not mention in a single page, so we'll keep it as it is. So I will go to setup, sheet, row and column visible, press OK. All right, and should be landscape. So from here, landscape. Yeah, so now this is our total sheet which we can see here. Okay. Now what else I need to do here? So let me check. Yeah, this is here, so control P. Yeah, you can see the values. All right, so now all values are perfectly given and so on. So did they mention to in a one row? No, they did not mention. Okay, the content of all cell fully visible, row and column. Yeah, perfectly fine. Now next, what we need to do? Okay, so here we go. Now go back. This is done. Next, print. Make sure you have entered your name, center number, candidate number. That is done already. Set the page orientation to portrait. Format the text in row 28. Okay, row 28. So now we control plus tilde key. Okay, so now this is the values we have now. Okay, perfectly fine. Now row 28, where is row 28? Okay, so from here what we need to do, okay, center align both vertical and horizontal, so that it is center align both horizontal and vertical. So from where they are asking us to do it, format the text in row 28 so that it is center aligned both vertical and horizontal. So row 28, it should be selected and center aligned. Okay. Next, what I need to do here, format the text D28 and G28 so that it is text wrap. So let me show you here. So okay, so D28 and G28 should be text wrap. Where is D28 and G28? I selected both text wrap and little bit the thingy, I just decreasing the size of the column. Perfect. So now I'm increasing the size of the this. It should be center aligned both from vertical and horizontal. Yeah, perfectly fine. Now next, what we need to do, okay, now so that the text wrap done, make sure the cell content is fully visible and fit in a single page, okay, in the front. Okay, and then print the spreadsheet showing the values. Okay, so now we will go here, Control P, and this time page setup we will go and fit in a one page, and we don't have to show one column headings. Press OK. Yep, and should be portrait, not landscape. Done. So this is the value. Next, orientation is portrait. Done. Single page width. Done. Content are fully visible. Done. Row and column headings are not displayed. Yeah, we did it perfectly fine. So now student, if you see, you can clearly see the all values and data. You need to take the printout in a value format. Next, what we need to do, you will extract the project with the highest donation in a week 2. Okay, open and examine the file in 22 weeks. Okay, so to do that we will go to, where is it, weeks. Yeah, double click and open. Okay, this is the week 2 donation. Yes, we got it. Now next, what we need to do here, okay, place your name, center number, candidate number, left align in the header. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, go to layout view, and in header what we need to put, name, center number, candidate number, left align. This is the header, name ABC, center number underscore IN123, candidate number 1234. Alright, done. Anything else? No. Extract only the donation. Okay, fine. So now normal view. Now what they are asking is, extract only the project with the donation at least 15,000 USD. Okay, so let me apply the first. Select this, right click, format, and then currency in US dollar. Press OK. Now, so I'm going to select this first 3 new rows and then go to data, apply filter. Okay, so now for total donation, now we are going to put, so at least they said, right? So at least 15,000. So the criteria would be greater than or equal to, okay, greater than or equal to how much, 1500, 1500 US dollar, 1500 if I'm not wrong, yeah, 15,000, sorry, so 15,000 USD. Press OK. Perfect. So we got 1 2 3 4, total 4 values. Next, sort the data into ascending order of project name. Now project name, select and then go to sort A to Z. Yeah, perfectly fine. Next, print the spreadsheet extracting only the value. Make sure print fit in a single page. row and column headings are visible this time. Content of all the cells should be fully visible. Okay, so now to do this, Control P, page setup, okay, sheet, and then row and column headings should be visible. Perfectly fine. Now you need to take the print out of this. Anything else we need to do here? No. So total 48 marks. Thank you. So we're done with this task. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.